Hey, I'm Jamie. Cough. I've made a video on my phone and it won't let me upload it, so I'm going to show it through webcam. It's my dog, Angel. She wouldn't hurt anyone. She's a big dog. She's a Great Dane, and I've seen loads of videos on here of like aggressive. They say big dogs are aggressive, and I don't like it. So I've made a video to show you how lovely my dog is. If it'll work. It's not working. Work phone.
Angel, there you go.
Yeah, the music's my brother.
Friendly to my cat. She's getting old now. She spends most of her time in her desk. I don't see why people think big dogs are aggressive, because they're not. Angel, say hello. I love Angel. She's 9 now, she's old. I'll leave you alone, yeah? Hello. So I'm just saying big dogs aren't aggressive, and I've just shown you.
Yeah, big dogs aren't aggressive, and yeah, that's really what I wanted to say.